Hello, Master's candidates, and welcome to the graduate hooding for 2020-2021. I am Dr. Salvador Esparza, Professor and Chair of the Department of Health Sciences. I have not had the pleasure of meeting many of you in person, but I hope I can in the future, either through Alumni Association events or as you pay it forward to other aspiring students in our programs. Traditionally, we would be gathering together and celebrating your magnificent achievement for obtaining a master's degree in your chosen field. However, as we all know too well, our current public health crisis will not allow us to do so. So instead, we must celebrate you virtually. But nonetheless, the faculty and I are very proud of what you've accomplished, both academically and personally. Obtaining a master's degree places you in the upper echelon of academically prepared individuals. In fact, you may be surprised to know that only about 13% of the U.S. population have a master's degree, professional degree, or doctorate. This is an amazing statistic when you stop and reflect on this. Some of you will enter your chosen field at a level you may not have imagined just a couple of years ago. And some of you will go on and continue your education through advanced certification or to pursue a doctorate. In either case, you will be confident in your pursuits, knowing that you have graduated from a high-quality accredited graduate program that prepared you well for your future. Of course, we realize that you could not have attained this endeavor without the love and support of your family or significant others in your life. And for that, we celebrate them too. For a little bit of history, the hooding ceremony is believed to have originated in European universities in the 12th century and was first instituted to recognize graduating students as they entered their scholarly careers. Hoods later became detached ornaments presented to graduates as part of their commencement. The hood, through academic regalia colors, more than any other item, represents your degree or discipline, along with the school you attended. The velvet edge represents the college, in your case, green for the College of Health and Human Development, and the satin colors, your school, in your case, the red and white for CSUN. And finally, the overall size and shape represents the achievement of your degree. I hope this provides a little or small amount of information so that you realize the deep tradition with which this ceremony exists. Before we move on to the hooding, I want to take a moment of silence to acknowledge the loss that some of our students and faculty have experienced during this horrific and devastating pandemic. My heart goes out to you and hope that this hooding event brings a ray of hope for healing and lessens the pain of your loss, even if it's just for a fleeting moment. So with that, let's move on to the happy event at hand. All the best to you, and now I'd like to pass the baton over to our next speaker.
Hello, everyone. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all and to congratulate each of you on your outstanding achievement of graduating from CSUN with a Master's in Health Administration and/or a Master's of Public Health. For a few of you, acknowledgement of this honor has been unfortunately delayed for a year due to the horrible COVID-19 pandemic that has devastated our families, friends, and communities. For many in 2020 and 2021, your journey to graduation has required overcoming multiple obstacles. For some, these obstacles included surviving illness, personal tragedy, and loss. Despite these heartbreaking challenges, you have persevered to accomplish your educational and professional goals, and we celebrate and commend your phenomenal efforts today. The tragic COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated the critical role that professionals in public health and in health administration play in the health, safety, and well-being of our population and communities. Many of you have spent the past months on the pandemic front lines, helping ill patients and their families, especially in our hardest hit communities, which have been struggling with limited access to healthcare and health and social services. Others of you have worked behind the scenes to analyze data and research, coordinate resources and services, including vaccinations, and promote healthcare equity throughout our county and state. As employees or interns, you may have served at the bedsides of patients in overwhelmed hospitals and ICUs, at homes, neighborhoods, and encampments, and at swamped clinics and healthcare facilities. You and your colleagues in these critical fields have been leading, driving, and contributing to the necessary interventions to address quality and equity of care, basic needs, well-being, infection prevention and control, and short and long-term care and treatment options for the hundreds of thousands of Angelenos touched by this brutal pandemic. You deserve our gratitude at every turn. You and your fellow students and colleagues in public health and health administration are part of or will soon be joining a professional workforce of healthcare heroes that have saved millions of lives and will continue to develop, lead, and implement plans, programs, and services to keep our families, friends, and communities healthy and safe in the years to come. You should be rightly proud of your admirable dedication, expertise, and excellence that brought you here to formally receive your degrees today. All of us at CSUN know that as public health and health administration professionals, you will continue in the future to make your families, colleagues, faculty, and CSUN proud. As former First Lady Michelle Obama said, you may not always have a comfortable life, and you will not always be able to solve all of the world's problems at once. But don't ever underestimate the importance you can have, because history has shown us that courage can be contagious and hope can take on a life of its own. Thank you for your courage, which has helped bring us all hope during this difficult year. And congratulations again on your graduation and on the awarding of your master's degrees.
Hey there, this is Lisbeth Becerra, former president of MPHSA, and this message is for the Community Health Education graduating class of 2020 and 2021. First, I'd like to say that it is my greatest honor to share this milestone with you. And although we are physically apart, this global pandemic has brought us together in so many ways. For one, I believe that our greatest strength is our adaptability. We quickly adapted to the virtual learning over Zoom, working from home, and supporting each other in however ways we could. The second is that we are united through our desire to protect our communities. I'm sure that none of us expected to be completing a master's in public health degree during a global pandemic and then put everything we learned into practice right away, right? On the bright side, public health is in the spotlight more than ever before, and I cannot express how proud I am to be connected to a group of fierce and compassionate public health agents of change. Yes, we all suffered great losses throughout this pandemic, but we did not come this far to be defined by what we lost, but rather by our resiliency and the hope we have in ourselves so that we may instill it in others. We are making history together, and this is our moment of triumph. So go out there and debunk myths, save lives through science-based approaches, and continue bravely advocating for health equity. Congratulations, community health education students, on earning your Master's of Public Health degree during a global pandemic. Now, I'd like to close by being hooded by my husband, Mike Martinez, after earning my MPH with a focus in community health education in May 2020. Congratulations again, everyone. Thank you.
Friends, classmates, and esteemed colleagues in public health. First off, I want to thank the faculty of our program for your tireless devotion towards building and shaping our generation of public health leaders. Earning my MPH has been an experience that has spurred tremendous personal and career growth. It's opened the doors to some incredible opportunities, such as my internship experience co-leading the Ending the Epidemics initiative for the California Governor's Office and the California Office of AIDS. I want to congratulate Cohort 5 of the CSUN Online Master of Public Health program. After all the late nights, all the research papers, Zoom meetings, internships, and stressful online tests, we did it. Thank you for your friendship, inspiration, support, and your dedication to the profession. We enter an overwhelmed and exhausted health workforce, battle-hardened by the trauma of a once-in-a-lifetime global pandemic. We're mobilizing the largest mass vaccination campaign in history, supporting our communities, families, and loved ones in recovery from COVID-19. We are tired and we're worn out, but we're winning. Some of us have served our government. Some of us have saved lives. Some of us have been on the front lines or working in clinical or hospitals. All of our lives have been forever changed. Maybe school closures have left you juggling the responsibilities of being a parent and working full-time while completing grad school. Maybe you've lost loved ones. Despite all our hardships, we all have risen to meet this moment. As we begin to see the light at the end of the tunnel, conversations have shifted to remarks about how close we are to getting back to normal. But if there's one thing we've learned through our battle with COVID-19, through the late nights of writing papers, or from our textbooks, research papers, lectures, and group discussions, let it be this: we cannot go back to what we once thought was normal. As health professionals, we enter a workforce of a country that spends more on healthcare than any other country in the planet. Yet despite this, we are a country who is sicker than our peers, has more preventable death and disability than our peers, we have less access to care than our peers, our infant mortality rate dwarfs that of our peers, as does our rates of drug overdoses, suicide, gun violence, and the proportion of our population who lives in incarceration. I don't exactly know why everyone chose to work in this field, or what your individual circumstances are, or what your plans are for your career, but something tells me if you're here and you've made it this far, it's because you're committed to making a difference. After doing all the work, we understand that the beverage companies who profit off of our obesity, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and the rotting of our teeth bear some responsibility for sharing the enormous costs of the damage that their products inflict on our society. We believe that a new world is possible because the greatest determination of someone's health shouldn't be their ethnicity, their immigration status, what zip code they live in, who they love, or how much money they have. Through completing this program, we've learned that a new world is possible, and each and every single one of you is proof of that. You are not the workforce of tomorrow, you're the public health leaders of today, so congratulations to you, you diverse group of healers, activists, artists, policymakers, and facilitators of change. CSUN Online MPH Cohort 5, please join me in saying that we choose not to go back to normal because a new world is possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany Chapman, and I'm honored to say that I've completed a Master of Public Health and Applied Epidemiology at CSUN. First, I have to say congratulations class of 2020 and 2021 for all of your achievements, especially given the numerous challenges we faced over the last year. Personally, I missed the late night study sessions in the university library and using the graduate study room for a group study session right before 592A Biostats midterm with Dr. Forrester. My favorite moments include being a research assistant for the Metabolism and Stress Assessment or MESA lab, as it reinforced the skills I gained in class and allowed for an opportunity to be mentored by the amazing Dr. Toledo Corral. I wanted to end by saying thank you. Thank you to CSUN, the Department of Health Sciences, and each of my professors for your commitment to our success as students, as you were always encouraging and frequently pushing us outside of our comfort zone. Thank you to my classmates for your support and collaboration. While everyone's journey and paths are different, we are the next generation of public health leaders. Whether that's Path A, assessing the relationship between multiple stressors and cancer survivorship. Path B, exploring the biological mechanisms between mindfulness and stress-related disease outcomes. Or Path C, investigating comorbid mental and physical health conditions, and so many other possible journeys. I cannot wait to see how the knowledge and skills that we've acquired will help us to predict and respond to health disparities and improve the health outcomes in our communities. Again, thank you, as I believe the interactions I have had with the students, faculty, and staff have made it possible for me to be accepted into our doctoral program and continue my academic career. And congratulations again, class of 2020 and 2021. You did it.
Oh, well-deserved congratulations to the MPH class of 2020 and 2021. We are so proud of you and wish you all the success in your future endeavors.
Congratulations to the 2020 and 2021 MPH graduates. I wish you the best of luck and good fortune as you move forward.
Congratulations to the graduating MPH classes of 2020 and 2021. We're so very proud of you and all your accomplishments and wish you all the best.
My name is Stacy Cano and I completed my Master's in Public Health class of 2021 and I will be hooded by my parents.
Jessica Fay, and I completed my Master's in Public Health class of 2021. And today I will be hooded by Lucas Carbonell.
completed my master's in public health, class of 2020, and I will be hooded by my parents.
Ashley Larson, Master of Public Health, Class of 2020, hooded by my husband, Justin Larson.
Hello, my name is Flor Peraza, and I completed my Master's of Public Health, class of 2021, and I'll be hooded by my mother, Flor Peraza.
My name is Nisreen Shatila, and I completed my MPH in Applied Epidemiology, class of 2021. And today I'll be hooded by my parents.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Watts, and I completed a Master of Public Health and Applied Epidemiology on punk time.
Per aspera ad adastra. In Latin, that means through hardships to the stars. You made it. Congratulations, classes of 2020 and 2021.
Greetings and congratulations, class of 2021. You did it. Now you're on to more adventures. Have fun. Congratulations. Woo!
Congratulations to all of you graduating from the MPH program for the 2020 and 2021 years. It's been such an unprecedented time, and to have successfully completed a challenging program with everything going on is truly impressive. I wish you all the best of luck in your endeavors and know you will do amazing work in your fields. I look forward to hearing all about your future pursuits, and congratulations again.
Hi, MPH graduates. I'm Dr. Myrna Troncoso Sawyer, and I want to congratulate you on completing your graduate program. Long ago, when I was completing my graduate program, I spoke to my advisor about my feelings about the work I was doing in public health and wondered, would I ever have a large impact? And he reminded me that when we think about our contributions to public health, that we should see them as slivers of a bigger pie, and that we're all contributing, even if it's a small amount. And together, when you think about all those contributions, we're all making a difference. So congratulations and good luck.
Congratulations, graduates. I am so proud of you, and I am so honored to be sharing this very special moment with you and your family. Congratulations again.
Hello, MPH graduates. Dr. Burke here, wishing you a big congratulations. Go on to change the world. Woo! I'm so proud of you.
Hi, congratulations everyone on finishing your degree. I'm so proud of you all, and I want to thank your family and friends for all their support over the years. So best of luck to all of you.
Congratulations to the class of 2021. Wishing you all of the best. Congratulations. Yay.
Congratulations to the MPH and the MSHA classes of 2020 and 2021. The year really zoomed by, didn't it? Now go out and make a statistically significant difference in the world. I'm 95% confident that you will.
Congratulations to the CSUN graduates of the Masters of Public Health program in Applied Epidemiology and Community Health Education class of 2020 and 2021. You did it! You've persevered during one of the most challenging public health crises. You are amazing! Your commitment to help those in need and improve the health and wellness of our community stands firm as you enter into the public health arena with the support and guidance of our esteemed faculty. We are so proud of you. Through hardships and for many, the loss of a loved one, you have overcome the rigors life and our program has demanded of you. You are remarkable. Hold your head high and wear your Matador colors with respect as you prove your public health skills and professionalism in the field. To the classes of 2020 and 2021, you are unprecedented. We celebrate your achievement and we wish you every success. Congratulations.
Well, that was different, but no less exciting. As I said in my opening remarks, the hooding of master's candidates is an honored and special tradition in our college, and in particular in the Department of Health Sciences, because we have some of the largest graduate programs in the university. It has been a pleasure to see so many of you virtually receive your master's hood, a symbol of one of the highest academic honors a person can attain. Although the faculty could not be with you to personally hood each and every one of you, we are with you and know how much work you put into achieving your academic goal. Before I sign off, I want to share a quick story with you. When Michelangelo finished painting the Sistine Chapel, It was said that someone commented on what an incredible feat he had accomplished, to which he replied, "I'm still learning." Please keep that in mind as you go into the world. Keep that flame and thirst for knowledge and wisdom burning brightly within you, and always be a lifelong learner. On behalf of the Health Sciences faculty and staff, good luck, best wishes, be well, and do good things in the world. Goodness knows we can sure use that these days. Take care and goodbye.